2 times 6 is 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. Yeah. All we want to do is to add this up, and that's our answer. But I want to be sure I'm adding exactly in the proper vertical direction. So I'm just going to put 0 here, 0 here, because there's nothing there, there's nothing here. So 6 plus all of that is 6. 3 plus 7 is 10. 0. I'm going to keep 1. 4 plus 7 is 11. Plus 8 is 19. Plus the one I kept is 20. So 0, and I'm going to keep 2. Right. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus the 2 I kept is 4. 1 plus 7 is 8. If there should be a comma, then it's going to be here. So 84,006. Cool. That is all about multiplication. But one more thing. What if we were to add decimals? And I'm just going to do it on this side so you can compare both of them. Okay? So yeah, decimal time, decimal time. I'm just going to do it this way so you can compare the two, because it's actually almost the same thing except for the decimal place or places. 2.347 plus 1.293. When you add these things up the same way you did this one, it's going to give you 0 here, 4 here, 6 here, and the point comes exactly where it should be, and then you've got 3. And also for the subtraction, it's going to be like that. Take note of the fact that you need to know that here you've got whole numbers and here you've got decimals. For instance, if I say 23.45 minus 2.323, this is a question, and you're going to do it the same way, but you have to make sure the decimal place tallies with the other one. So it's going to be, it's a subtraction, so 23.45 minus, the point is here, okay, 2 is in front of that, there is nothing here, so it's like a 0, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, there is nothing here, so it's like a 0. Now you're subtracting. Exactly the same way you did this subtraction is the way you're going to do this one. I know there's a decimal point, so just put it there already in your answer, so you know you're not missing out anything. 0 minus 3, not possible, so you're going to have to borrow a 1 from 5. It becomes 10 minus 3, but this 5 goes to 4. 5 becomes a 4 now, because it is borrowed 1 to this guy. 10 minus 3 is 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. Of course, you're just going to move on with your life. It doesn't matter if there's a decimal or not. You're just going to move on. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. And that's the answer. 21.127. Straightforward. Just make sure you arrange it in order of decimal place so you know you're putting the right things under the right place. Multiplication. I did not have to write that. Okay. Let's say you've just done 3.59 and you've just done 359 and 234. What if I told you to multiply 3.59 by 2.34? What are you going to do? Actually, it's the same thing. You're just going to multiply exactly as if it were not a decimal number. You're just going to multiply it the same way we did this one, and you're going to have your answer at the end to be 84006. Notice I have not brought any decimal into the question yet, but the question had 2 decimal places here and 2 decimal places here. Total number of decimal places is 4. So that only tells me that my answer should have 4 decimal